Hello everyone. Welcome to the topic parts and functions of an animal cell. Today we are going to discuss about animal cell, its parts, means cell organelles and its functions. So as I said, definition of a cell. Cell is a small compartment that holds all of biological equipment necessary to keep an organism alive. So it is also known as structural and functional unit of life. It is so because cell gives a structure to the organism and helps to function all the functions required to keep an organism alive. So it is known as structural and functional unit of life. Next, animal cell. Animal cells are eukaryotic cells. Eukaryotic cells means the cells which have a definite nucleus. As shown at the adjacent, we have an image of animal cell where we can see the nucleus. So in animal cells, nucleus is well defined. So it is eukaryotic cells, and even in eukaryotic cells, all the cell organelles are present, and these are even bigger. Eukaryotic cells have complex structure and are present in all human beings. Even human beings have eukaryotic cells. Next, parts and functions of animal cells. So let's start with cell membrane. Cell membrane is the outermost covering of animal cell. It is selectively permeable, means it allows only things which are commanded by the nucleus and only allows some things to enter the cell or some things to get out the cell. So it is living and it is selectively permeable. It gives a structure to the cell, and it helps to hold all the cell organelles in a body. This was all about cell membrane. Next cell organelle is nucleus. Nucleus, it is the main part or cell organelle of the cell. It contains all the genetic material, and nucleus is majorly filled with chromatin. Chromatin is thread-like structure which has DNA and chromosomes. It helps in cell division. We can see a dark body inside the nucleus, which is also known as nucleolus. Nucleolus is the factory of ribosomes. As nucleus controls the whole cell, it is also known as the brain of the cell, or the MD, means managing director of the cell. And nucleus is a membrane bound cell organelle. It was all about nucleus. The next cell organelle is endoplasmic reticulum. Endoplasmic reticulum is a cell organelle and forms a network of membranes. This helps in the production of proteins and even lipids, which are fats. These are surrounded to the nucleus and carry out function like even transportation. We can just say in simple words that it's like the secret hideout inside cells made up of fancy membrane network. These little guys are the VIPs behind the scenes, making sure proteins get made like clockwork. Means these also help in the production of protein. And endoplasmic reticulum are of two types. First one is rough endoplasmic reticulum and smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Rough endoplasmic reticulum has the ribosomes attached to it, and smooth doesn't have any ribosomes attached to it. Next cell organelle is mitochondria. Mitochondria is the special cell organelle and most important. Its function is to produce energy to the whole cell, and it is also known as powerhouse of the cell. It produces energy in the form of ATP, adenosine triphosphate. Next cell organelle is lysosomes. Lysosomes are the stomach of the cell, we can say, as it helps in the digestion to break down, as it helps in the digestion, and it also helps to break down waste materials. Lysosomes sometimes kill their own cell if if the cell is not functioning properly, so it is also known as the suicidal bag of the cell. Our next our next cell organelle is Golgi apparatus. Golgi apparatus is another set of cell membranes that serves important functions, including modifying protein and transporting substances out of the cell. So these are also known as the post office of the cell. Golgi apparatus even help in the production of lysosomes. Next, centrioles. Centrioles are hollow tubes that give organelles their shape. These are only present in the animal cell and absent in plant cell. The function of centrioles is to help chromosome move inside the cell. Next one is vacuoles. Vacuoles are enclosed compartments that are filled with water containing organic and inorganic molecules. These are numerous and small in animal cell, and there is only one large vacuole in plant cell. The next one is ribosomes. Ribosomes are the small bump like structures which are produced by nucleolus, as discussed at the beginning. These help in the production of proteins, so these are also known as protein factory. Thank you. Here's a small test for you. Label these cell organelles and comment. The order goes as the same. Bye.